Maybe I could be in a state where what I need is talk, and you could give me talk, and it will be the highest form of gift. Otherwise, for example, your mother is a deity, Ogwugwu, the portal of your creation, the portal through which this ball of energy came out for this incarnation. When you're going to her, you take a gift. You want her energy to be pleased. When you're going to Ogwugwu, the Ogwugwu that you know in person, you go with presence. So when you're now going to the actual deity, to the actual energy, the pure energy that is not tainted by human matrix interactions and dealings and things like that, why won't you take energy to her? Blood is a life force. It is the number one currency in this world.